In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset OBS Studio settings easily and efficiently. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just dipping your toes into the world of online streaming and recording, understanding how to reset your OBS Studio settings can be crucial for troubleshooting and starting fresh with your configurations. It's a straightforward process, but following the right steps will ensure you don't miss any critical aspects. First, let's navigate to OBS Studio. This is the powerhouse application many use for recording and streaming due to its flexible and robust features. So go ahead and either launch the app from your desktop or find it in your Applications folder. Once you have successfully opened OBS Studio, you're ready to move on to the next step. Within OBS Studio, the next thing you need to do is head over to the File menu. You'll find this at the top left corner of the window. Clicking on File will reveal a drop-down menu which offers several options related to your settings and configurations. Among these options, locate and click on the Show Settings folder. Selecting this option will open the folder where OBS Studio stores all its settings and configurations. Now this step is crucial. Once the Settings folder is open, you'll see a list of files and potentially some folders within it. These files contain the settings that are currently applied in your OBS Studio setup. To reset OBS Studio entirely, you'll need to close the application first. This ensures there are no running processes that might interfere with the resetting process. Once you have closed OBS, return to the Settings folder and proceed to delete everything within that folder. By doing this, you're effectively wiping the slate clean, removing all current configurations and settings, allowing OBS Studio to be restored to its default state the next time you relaunch. And just like that, you're done. When you next open OBS Studio, it will behave as if it's a fresh installation, devoid of any previous settings or potentially troublesome configurations. Remember, this step is particularly beneficial if you are troubleshooting issues or wish to start afresh with your setup. With this knowledge, you can be confident in managing your OBS Studio environment better, whether that's for solving problems or just experimenting with new settings. Keep in mind, though, that resetting will erase all your personalized settings, so make sure to back up any critical configurations you might want to restore later. Thanks for joining me on this quick and simple guide. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more tutorials or reach out to the community for help. Happy streaming and see you next time.